How to search old tweets on Twitter X app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to search old tweets on Twitter. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Twitter application on your device and further make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the search bar you see there and enter the username whose old tweets you want to search. So if you simply enter the username, then you will be led to the profile and will be shown with all the latest tweets. So to search old tweets, firstly, enter their username and then enter the specific date of the tweet if you remember the tweet. If you do not remember the exact date, then you can also enter some keywords related to the tweet. So enter space and then enter the username and then enter the desired date if you remember it with the starting year first, and then enter a dash and then enter the month and the date and then enter the ending date or the date you want to end the tweet. Search. And tap on the search button, and with this all the tweets of that individual within the date you mentioned in the search bar will be visible to you. So this is how you can search old tweets on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.